In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Serum from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So first thing you want to do is have both Kraken and Ledger Live software open. I have Kraken on the left and the Ledger Live software on the right. I'm gonna search for Serum, see what comes out. On the right side, in Ledger Live, it's saying that it's an ERC20 token, so an Ethereum token. I'm gonna check in Kraken. If I click withdraw and type Serum, it's telling me that it's running on the Solana network. So in Ledger Live, I have to go back to accounts, go to Solana, click on add token in the bottom here, and just confirm that this token is supported. Yes, it is. So I'm going to click continue. Open the Solana app on the Ledger. Copy the address. And then paste the address in the withdraw. The nickname will be Ledger Serum Solana. So I have to confirm the email address now. Here we go. Confirm. It's been approved. Gonna click on the purple amount to send the full amount. Click review and confirm. Voila. Okay, as you can see, the Serum tokens were successfully transferred. Now it's time to send them back to the exchange. So I'm gonna click send. I'm gonna enter the Solana address. So on the Kraken side, I'm gonna click deposit and look for Serum. Copy the address, paste it here. Continue. Doesn't have a tag or a memo, so I'm gonna click don't add tag. I'm gonna transfer the full amount by pressing the send max button. And please notice here that it's using Solana for the network fees. So it's using the parent coin. And in the future, whenever you're transferring tokens, make sure you transfer all the tokens before sending the parent. Otherwise, you won't be able to send the tokens out. So I'm going to press continue, continue again. And now it's time to validate the transaction on the Ledger device. So the address looks good. Press right, approve. So this is done. And I can close this screen here. And if I go to activity and I refresh, it should show me the transaction coming in. Here we go, deposited Serum. So the transaction was successful. It's going to take a couple of seconds or minutes to clear. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them.